Good evening friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Tissot Seastar watch. It's a manual hand winding watch, oversized watch, about 40 mm. The price for this Tissot Seastar is just 5,000 rupees. Shipping all over India is available. Shipping charges will be extra. The crown is original. The case is rose gold. The watch is made in 1957. It is an oversized Tissot mechanical watch. The caliber reference number is 781. It's a 17 jewel mechanical hand winding watch with date calendar. The price is fixed, no COD, only prepaid payment allowed. My location is Kolkata. The watch is in working condition.